Alright, drink I'm about to make is called a pine sol shooter. I know whenever I'm cleaning with my pine sol, I've always got on my mind, I wonder what that would taste like if I chilled it and put it in a shot glass. Well, we're about to find out. Let's put some ice in a glass and measure out 1 ounce of Frangelico. And follow that up with 1 ounce of dark rum. And let's shake it up. Let's get it nice and cold. All right. I probably wouldn't suggest using this as a cleaning agent in your house, but if you'd like to calm yourself down a little bit while you're cleaning, go ahead and have a couple pine sol shooters. Let's go ahead and strain it in. There we go. And bottoms up.